I'm going to the gym. What does that mean? It's time to check the Pokemon vending machine. Wish me luck. Hi. Today, we scored on 2 packs from the vending machine. If 2 packs is what the vending machine wants us to have, 2 packs is what we will have. We got 1 Surging Sparks and 1 Mega Evolution. What do we start with? What are we feeling? Which one, baby? Pick one. She really was extra sniffing that Surging Spark, so. And nothing. Last pack, magic. Ooh, Mega Lucario EX. All right. We got something. Something's better than nothing. Quick little 2-pack vending machine score of the day. Yeah. As always, thanks for opening packs with me. I'll see you next time. Bye.